Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you for watching our video. This video is regarding Bharat Gas, valid across India, everywhere, any state. Previously, Bharat Gas application mobile app was, as you are seeing on the screen on top, and now the application has changed to Hello-BPCL. So in this video, I will show you how to install the Hello-BPCL latest application and how to set it up. Also, quickly I will show you how to book a cylinder in the new application and how to see all your booking history for last 1 year using the new application. So even if you are using the new application, all the booking you have done previously using web or the old application will be reflecting here. So let us quickly start the video. What can be done? So this is I'm trying in an Android mobile. You can do from iPhone also. In Android mobile, just open Play Store. Okay, once it is opened, what you have to search is Hello then space BPCL. So as you can see, the first one, this is the application Hello BPCL book LPG cylinder. Okay, you can click on open first, install first and get it installed. I have just installed, that's why it is showing open. I'm not wasting time showing installation. So when you open first time, it will ask you to enter the mobile. So how we will see whether it's a valid application, I will show you. If you come back to the installation page and scroll down, as you can see, the developer contact and details, you can see here correctly they have given Bharat Gas is now Hello BPCL. Okay, so this is replacement of previous Bharat Gas application, and clearly it is told it is from Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. So no need to worry, this is not a third party application, this is from government itself. So now first you enter the mobile number like this and click on receive important information, because you will get WhatsApp information if you click this. So it is better, you will get some messages and update from them. You can tick this, click your mobile. You can see here automatically OTP comes, and the OTP has been entered here. It takes automatically, otherwise you have to enter from the SMS. And after entering the OTP, you can click on the verify button. Now you have to set a password. So please remember friends, password should be minimum 8 characters and it should have combination of upper, lower and special characters, otherwise it will not accept. So I have entered a new password. This is the password for opening the application. Remember it, click on submit and it says congratulations, you have been logged in. So it is very simple process, you don't need to give anything else if you had already registered in the previous old application. So once it is done, automatically it will ask for the password. You have set it now, just now enter the password. You can see once first time you can use the skip button here. You can see here your name will be shown, consumer ID will be shown. Now quickly we can book through two methods. There is a book now button, also there is a cylinder icon bottom. Any of this can be used to book a cylinder. I will quickly show you how to get it booked. So I am using either cylinder button or book now. Okay, later they may change it, they may make it one time because the application is just launched. So you can use any of this as of now for booking a cylinder. I click there, you can see here refill 14.2 kg, and what is the amount? Currently it is 823. And payment methods are debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI ID. A lot of options are, 4 options are there. Again below, if you scroll down, there are 2 more options. I will show you that. I usually go for net banking option because it's up to you which one you prefer. You can even select UPI method, and once you select the payment method, you can click on continue. Before that, I will show you, just scroll down, there are 2 more methods. There is some wallet, you can use maybe like Paytm and all, and there is cash on delivery also. So if you do not have any online payment method, you can select cash on delivery. So I selected net banking and click on continue. So you can see here internet banking, I click on internet banking. Now you can select the bank of your choice. There are a lot of banks. You can click in all banks column, you can get all the major banks, majority banks here. So I just select example, I'm showing you how this can be done quickly. I just select my Kotak Bank account and I entered username password of a NEFT transaction, and there is should be an OTP coming in. I enter my OTP and click on verify. So as you can see here, after entering OTP, this is the page for Kotak Bank. So if you have SBI, it might vary. So you can see here booking is done, booking order number has come as an SMS, booking ID is there, and everything is there. We would have got an SMS also. Click on back to your dashboard and you can see here on the dashboard we will see how to see the previous booking history. This is what the second item you are going to have a look at. Click on the history. You can see here just now booked, booking ID is there, booked on the latest one, March, and it is scheduled. It is not yet delivered. The booking is scheduled and amount is also shown there. You can see here just before previous booking date was December 2020. That is also shown. Even though I just set up the app, even all the previous years history details are there. You can see here last 1 year your booking history will be available here with date and whatever amount you paid and mode of delivery. You can see here cash on delivery is there, paid online is there. So that depends on which mode of, see, in my case last this year the first one was on 20th and I paid 745 as a paid online. So thank you so much for watching the video. Next video we will publish what are the other things we can do, how to book double cylinder in using this application, and also we will show you how to take mechanical request if you have some installation issue. This will be covered in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give a like to this video. Also kindly subscribe to our channel. See you with another video.